Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Online CSV Editor PHP CRUD. This is list URL CSV. You can see all list. Okay. Then CSV list. You can export, show CSV, download CSV, CSV PDF, show text, download text to PDF, show HTML, download XML PDF, show JS1, download JS1, then JSON PDF. Okay, you can see first name, last name, email, gender, IP address, currency, blood, code, country, ISBN, image link, domain, scale. Okay, if you want this software, check out link in the description below. Thank you.